I'm so excited of how much my hair has grown. Do y'all see this long bob that I just cut my hair into? Let me stop playing with y'all. It's a glueless wig. Yeah. Y'all know I gotta do my glueless check. Y'all see that? Y'all see how seamless that is? Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Ash Takeoff, and if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to come take off with me. I will be posting more consecutively. Y'all know what I mean. So I would love for you to come join the fam and take off with me, and we're just gonna be doing this hair ourselves. All right, listen, this video this is for my glueless girls, my no glue, no spray, no gel. I know y'all been seeing these videos. I just know you've been seeing them. Well, you about to see one more because we're about to install a glueless wig from Asteria hair. All the information on this hair will be down below, but we're just gonna get right into this video, right? Asteria. The packaging is real cute. Okay, when did y'all get the new packaging? But I am familiar with Asteria hair. I'm very excited to try this wig out because it is a 12-inch bob with HD lace. So first off, I do have this hat on. Listen, shout out to the hats when your hair isn't done. I like to throw it on and, you know, I feel like I'm good, right? But we're about to go ahead and get this hair done, so I need to take this hat off. I do have braids underneath. I have about 10 braids in my hair. I take my braids and put them in 3 smaller plaits, and then I will take these and bobby pin them up. Whenever I'm wearing a glueless wig, sometimes I like to go in with a cap, but sometimes I don't. It really depends on how long am I gonna wear these braids. Wigs do brush against our hair, so it's gonna make it frizzy and like, kind of like that. Y'all see that? I don't want that to happen, so I just like to go in and add a wig cap. I normally like to use black because you can't see black underneath, but this one will work just fine because I am going to be tinting. The 2 products that I have used to tint my lace has been this Eben lace spray, and then we have this Magic Collection lace tint mousse. Personally, after using both of these, I'm going with the lace tint mousse, and I just honestly feel like it's a better blend with my forehead, and because now that I have a tan in the summer, this is no longer my shade and it doesn't blend, but this one, it does. Another close-up of the wig, it is HD lace. It is a 12-inch bob. I'm very excited because it's been very hot. This is how the HD lace looks before I tint it, and this is how it looks after. HD lace is gonna blend great either way, so it really doesn't matter, but I still like to go in with this step. Whenever you're getting ready to install a glueless wig, some tips that I recommend is to check to see if it has an adjustable strap inside. If it does, go ahead and tighten it, because for a glueless wig, you want it to fit secure, like it's melted, but it's not. In order to do that is to make sure the adjustable strap is tight. So I noticed that this one can be tightened a little bit. I'm just gonna go in just a little bit. I kind of know my head shape and where I would need it at, so that's all I'm doing. And then you're simply just going to install. use once I'm done, you know, styling the hair is this Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum. Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum. Oh, y'all, that sounds like Sally sells, she sells, but she, y'all know what I'm trying to say. But just take a little bit of this, put it in both hands, and go on top of your hair. Not only does it give you a little bit of shine, but it helps with any frizz or flyaways that may be in the hair. And that's it. I just installed this hair under 5 minutes. Oh my goodness. First of all, the quality, the cut, oh my God, it's beautiful. Shout out to you, Asteria hair, and y'all know I gotta do my glueless check. This, y'all see that? Y'all see how seamless that is? Oh my God, I love it. At this point in the video, we're done. Glueless wig. Do I need to tell y'all the pros about this? It's convenient. It's quick. I didn't have to use no glue or spray. Y'all need to get you a glueless wig. Like, what are you waiting on? Like, I'm get one. Again, don't forget that all the information on this hair is down below, so please feel free to check it out. And while you're down there, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. That helps me know what you guys are liking or not liking, and to see what kind of content you guys want to see. Thank you so much for watching. I'm about to point a video where I'm about to go, but I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.